Welcome, today we're going to show you how to leave multiple channels at once in Telegram. So the first thing you need to do is to open our website named Telegram Deactivate. So from here you can delete your account. So how will this help to leave multiple channels at once? If you have like a lot of channels that you want to delete at once, deleting your account will delete all of these channels. But there's one consequence that you will have, that is to remove all chats you want. So before you do this, you need to make a copy or backup of all your chats that you actually want. After you do that backup, you need to just write your number from here. After you have wrote your number, you will have a lot of prompts to continue. Then you will click delete my account. After that, just sign up again with the same number and reopen your Telegram account, and you will see that you have left all the channels and chats that you have. So that's actually how you leave multiple channels at once in Telegram. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.